Market is green so far. Start a short, looking a little weak. Could have took 20 points, waiting for 30. It's only one mini, not a lot of risk. There we go. Be able to add some more. Looks like one more leg up before it drops. The Scotch RSI is overextended, 120 day. Adding some more. It's only 3 minis so far. Added 2 more minis. Add 1 more. Total position 6 so far, minis. Might add some more. Scotch RSI is so overextended right now. Right here. Let me do that. Could have been a little more aggressive. I would have been out a little bit right here. Looks pretty weak. Patience, patience. Take 2 off here.
Order filled.
Take 1 there. Nice. Take 1 more off. Trail these last 2.
Order working. Order working.
Give it a little bit more room. It might come back and test this previous high. Wake up. And I'll trail it by a candle. This is 2 minutes. Breaking structure here. Probably look. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. Might have been premature. I'll leave it. Looks like it wants to drop. Yes, looks like it might turn around. Rallying with the final 2 contracts. I'm gonna put my stop at the previous high. ES is reversing, or at least attempting to. Move stop down a little bit. Trail it by like 15 points. Looking like we're gonna get stopped out. Trying to get one out.
Working.
And we're still in.
Stop.
And out. 311. 314. Not bad, not bad. You can see the ES is reversing. You can see it right here. That's where it reversed. Nasdaq's a little more volatile, so it dipped. It dipped a little bit more. Just be patient for the next one. This trend line's obsolete. Zoom out a little bit. Better idea. Forgot what SMA that was. That's the 200-day SMA. It might be trying to, may reach that. Time is up. Probably will. Yeah, let's go resistance level. Probably touch this 200-day SMA and then come down. Who knows though? We'll see. Check the news. Nothing really on the calendar. All the news this morning has passed. Fear and greed is coming up. A week ago, this was 18. Crypto is doing really well. Looking for one more leg up before I start a short. Might have missed it. See if it respects this trend line. May wick it and then come back into it. Not a bad green day. Up 1.4% on the day on the NQ, 1.3 on the ES. Nvidia's up 2%, Tesla's up almost 1%, Google almost 1.5%. Not bad. Pretty green news. The rest of it's pretty neutral. Polish, just gotta watch out for Trump tweets. See, I told you it was gonna wick through that trend line, then come back. See if it respects it and come back, or if it rejects it and falls. Falls down to this VWAP or 200-day moving average. Looks like it's gonna respect it, at least for now. Bitcoin looks to be climbing a little bit. Bitcoin and the ES are usually linked. A little bit anyway. I use it as an indicator, if I'm being honest. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I'm gonna throw 2 in long.
Order filled.
I don't know if it's gonna follow through. It might just break this trend line and fall. But I'm only in too many, so I average in if necessary. It is below this yellow line. If you look at this NQ 5 minute, looks like it wants to drop. May put a stop on this one. It's only 2 minis though, so I might just let it run. ES is falling. It rejected the trend line, which, I mean, doesn't always work, but usually it has a pretty significant downturn after it rejects a trend line like this. Bitcoin's still climbing though, so might be some manipulation by the market makers. Shake everybody out. You see? Could be manipulation, could be true. It's looking like it's going to be true. This is the really key level. This is the 61.8 on the fib of this whole rundown. Whole market dropped when Trump took office and started the tariffs. Bitcoin's falling a little bit. Market's more and more bearish. 5 minutes turning red. 5 minutes turning red. May try and get out. Oof. ES is bouncing. Might have just been manipulation. Technically it's still higher high, higher low. Could have just been market makers doing manipulation. Bitcoin's holding steady. Any news? Okay, it just turned green. I only have 2 micros. Should have been more aggressive. He's averaged in until this green line. Market was just so overextended though. I didn't want to be on the wrong side of it. At least too early. My instinct is to put a stop here, but I'm gonna get out. Not feeling it. It's probably a fake out to go lower. It's already overextended on the 5 minute. For a drop or short. Maybe started early at the 61. Once it gets below this 21 EMA, market becomes a little bearish, as you can see. wick, up, wick, and then broke it, went way down. 50 points, that's not really that much. Get the point though. ES fully rejected the trend line, and now it's going lower, probably going, not financial advice, but it may go to this VWAP, may go to this 200 SMA. Maybe. Look at the 1 minute on the NQ. Getting bearish. That is a lower high, by the way. So we're looking to see if it makes a lower low. If it gets lower than this, then it's bearish and all pops. I'm averaging in with 1 mini, so there's a lot of room for error and mistakes. Minute. Five minute, 10 minute looking really heavy. May come down and test the 61.8 fib. We do extend it, RSI. Not really overextend it. Bitcoin falling. A little bit, not too much, but the ES and Bitcoin, I don't know why the RSI is doing that. ES and Bitcoin are linked at times. If it breaks this 21 EMA, it's pretty bearish. Probably may just wait. Was gonna start buying at this 50% fib, but looks like it may want to drop more. Pretty good resistance, around 100 points from where it's at. Hold on. It's too many colors. May bounce off the 21 EMA. If that's the case, then higher high, higher low. May have a couple more legs up. Bounce off this 50-day MA. Check the Trump tweet. Look for the Trump tweet. Nothing so far. Of significance anyway. Seems to be bouncing off the 21 EMA, SMA, EMA. On the 5 minutes, chopping around. This is where you be patient and wait for the setup. Good to draw a trend line, wait for the break. Same with below. Shorting, wait for the break. The key is you don't want to get in on a wick. I mean, this isn't financial advice. This is what I do. on the wick down, like how it wicks. If it wicks through these trend lines, you want to wait for the actual candle on the 1 minute. This is the 2 minute. I have the 1 minute chart right here. I don't even think you guys saw that. The trend lines here. If it breaks this lower one, this isn't financial advice, this is what I do sometimes. See? If it wicks through, you don't want to get it here. But if it actually starts another candle above it, then that's pretty bullish. Same goes if it breaks this bottom one. Looking just choppy. Spots. Get some scalps in. Unfortunate. Just chopping around. NQ is still up 1.4% on the day. ES is still up 1.2%. Less volatility today. The VIX is minus 6.7%. Nvidia up 2%, Tesla 1.5%, Google 1.5%, Amazon slightly down. Bitcoin's going a little more positive. May bounce here. Just be patient. Only kick the camera. Kick the camera. At least a temporary bounce. Temporary bounce off the 21 EMA. Bitcoin more and more green. It's in the chop zone though. See all those? This happened to the music. Wondering why it was so silent. May break this trend line. Yes. Alright. It's technically a lower high. But I mean, it's in a chop zone, so the market can do whatever it wants. It's still green on the day, so trend's still up. The RSI just went over the, I forget what moving average this yellow line is. Oh, now it's back below. Oh, now it's back below. Anyway, if it goes above that yellow line, the RSI right there, it's bullish. More bullish. At the same time though, looks like it's breaking the 21-day EMA and the trend line, so not looking great. See if it respects this key level on the fib. The 30-minute. Check for any tweets from Trump. Nothing. Seems like Still lagging. I think I might have fixed the lag. Gotta fix some things. Hold on. Off. It's better. It's better. May actually be back. All right, I think we're in business. Why are we still lagging? I found it. Okay. Here we go. Why is this stream still lagging? Maybe good. Should be back. Should be back. Now I just have to set everything up. It's lagging again. Maybe it's only what we're gonna do. Gotta run TradingView in the desktop instead of the browser. Hopefully that'll fix it. CPU spiking to her. Okay. I lag a little bit. I need to check everything. Good. Good. Rumble. Party. I think we're okay. Yep. All right. The lag should be done. I just can't have anything crazy open in the browser. Last check for lag. Still lagging. I will just do YouTube for today. It's I think it's only YouTube Shorts. See. Trying to fix lag. Ay, ay, ay. It'd be lagging. Oh, that was a good time to buy. Should have caught that. Streaming issues. I'm checking for lag. It's not fun. Might be fixed. I think we are good. Good. Just had to get rid of Party and X. It's not bad. All right. And we're back in business. Start the chats. Bounce right off that 200 EMA. Exactly off it. All right. Get rid of these trend lines. Pretty bullish day. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Higher low. Higher high, higher low. See what it does now. May start a short. Get a position in. RSI is dipping. Scotch RSI is dipping. And Q's up 1.5% on the day. ES 1.3. Volatility's dropping even more. It was 6% about an hour ago. Bitcoin stabilizing, if not dropping. $30-minute looks like it's gonna pump. 5-minute looks like it's gonna pump. Bounce off the wick through the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute chart. On the 2-minute, that's what it looks like. Up 300 on this account on the day. Not bad. Not bad. Only trading 8 micros. Why does it keep opening there? Let's zoom out on the ES. Draw this trend line. Maybe at the top. Approaching the top of that trend line. Everything's slightly overextended, but that doesn't mean it has to pull back. May not need a pullback. Look for news. There's a Trump tweet. Nothing of significance. Where are we going? Looks like the daily might be trying to hit that 200 EMA at 20,310. Should have been buying when it was chopping down here. But I definitely would have been buying here. But I was messing with the stream. Bitcoin neutral right now. It's not pushing or dropping. NQ NQ's 1.6% on the day. ES 1.4. Nvidia is just steadily climbing. Nvidia is near resistance. Back. Time is up. Volatility is going to be dropping. It's already dropped, but I've noticed a pattern after 11:30, 12:30-ish. It just drops off the volume of the day. Comes back around 3 power hour. I'm gonna take a short.
Order filled.
Start with 1 micro, average in. It's a little slower market. It's gonna chop around a bit. Has the potential to go all the way to 310. Probably be able to get out before then if it does just want to rip up. I'll average in a little aggressive, wait for the micro pullbacks on the way up. The ES looks like it wants to pull back a little bit or chop around. Bitcoin's going up slightly. NQ. Looks like it wants to pump, but that's a 30-minute. So no, pump back up, pump back up. I only have 1 micro. I only have 1 micro on those. No. Oh. The ES is dropping. Oh, trend line. I'm pulling it.
Order filled.
1 micro. How much was that? $30. 1 micro. How many points? 14? Where's that? 15 points? 16 points? Probably should have just trailed it, but I mean, it's 1 micro. ES is bouncing back up. NQ 30-minute looks like it wants to rip. That was probably just a little bit of manipulation of the market makers. Rip it down in 2 minutes, a 2-minute span, and then rip it back up, probably all the way to 300. Bitcoin's dropping a little bit, and that matters because Bitcoin and the ES like to mirror each other at times. Well, I mean, me personally, I use that as an indicator. Usually follows the ES or the ES follows it. Gotta wait for the volatility to pick back up. Made just barely a higher high and then a higher low. It might fake a lower high and then like have a red candle and then wick it up. Not sure what they want to do. I really think on this NQ right here, they want to take this daily candle all the way to the 200-day SMA. What I think. It also lines up perfectly with resistance. These candles. Makes sense. Where I sold here, the 1 micro, I should have bought. Started in a long position. I hate trading these low volatile conditions. Whoa. Look at the ES. Spiked up. Okay. Volatility is coming back in for a second at least. Maybe only a second though. Alright, let's see what the structure is looking like. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Looks a little heavy. Scotch 120-day RSI looks overextended, to say the least. Pretty low volatile day. Sadly, I missed the open, which I was saying up the stream, so. Ooh. Volatility is kicking in. Whoa. Some news came out. Started short.
Order filled.
Take that.
Order working. Order filled.
1 micro, $83 micro. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh, can't pull it up. $433 on the day. 150K TPT account, take profit trader account. I don't know what that news was. That candle was crazy. Sadly, I only had 1 micro. I expected it to push all the way to the 310s. That candle was nuts. See the news. Beijing weighs fentanyl offer to the US to start trade talks. China sees potential fentanyl offer as a way to begin trade talks. That's pretty bullish. Looks like we're going to be hitting the 310s. I mean, I don't know. I'm just speculating. It's not financial advice, but maybe even going, might go higher with this news. Pretty bullish. That is pretty bullish. See if Trump tweeted anything. See Twitter real quick. It's pumping. The NQ is pumping. A little bit, as you can see. Just when you think the volatility is gone. Just when you think. Let's see. Wednesday. Nothing here. If any more news. Alright. RSI is overextended a little bit. It can go a lot more though. It can go a lot more. It's above this trend line now. Okay, it's at pretty heavy resistance right here. The ES, that is. Look. We're almost at that 200 SMA. Like a prophecy foretold. That day candle really wants that 200 SMA. Could go all the way 20,450. Draw a line. Draw a line there. Doesn't have to be exact. I just gotta know. Gotta know where. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin climbing up. And that matters because Bitcoin and ES mirror each other. So usually nothing's 100%. ES broke through that trend line. See if we can retake it and make it support. Looking heavy, but may go up 100 more points. I don't know if it will. It's 12. This is usually the time it reverses. The algorithm usually switches. It's really up to the news though. NQ's up 1.8% on the day. ES 1.6. What are you gonna do? Five minute NQ's looking heavy. And a little bit heavy. Gotta be patient. Up 433 on this count for the day. Patient, wait for the trade. To be honest, I'm leaning towards long, even though 30-minute NQ is overextended. ES is a little bit overextended. All the indicators are actually dropping. It is pretty overextended. And again, not really for the NQ, it's only 400 points. So it can go up a lot more. Let's take some news. ES is retaking that trend line. Bitcoin's flat. I want to go long, but it's not the move. Probably gonna wait till it overextends itself. Overextends itself right here. Short it. Short it. I know it's going. It may go 310. $60 points on the ES, that would be may go all the way to 420, 450. Like it wants to pump though. Looks like it wants to pump. Just don't know how much. Let's look at news. Look at the news again. Yeah, the markets responded very well to Beijing considering fentanyl offer. It's kind of It's bullish, but I mean, they're just starting to talk, so there was an announcement like India, that would move it a little more and way quicker. Bitcoin's still flat. NQ almost up 2% on the day.